So guys, in this video we will see how to sort a table, right? So we have this NDF2, okay, so we have these 450 rows and 5 columns, right? So you may think it is already sorted, right? It is 0 to 4 and the rows are also in 0 to the maximum number, right? But sometimes we don't want to sort in ascending order. Obviously by default it is in ascending order, but you can obviously also set in descending order. Then 449 row will be in the first position and the 0 will be the last row, right? And you can also sort the columns as well. We will see that in this video. So to sort a data frame, you just need to write the data frame name. So ndf2 dot sort underscore index, and then you have to write the axis. Okay, so axis is two type mainly, 0 and 1. So if you write axis equals to 0, that means it will sort according to the row, and if you set axis equals to 1, then it will sort according to the column. Okay, so we want axis equals to 0. Now if I run it, you can see it is showing the similar thing. That is because by default it is in ascending order. So to set it in descending order, you just need to write ascending, and that is equals to false. Okay, that means ascending is equals to false. That clearly means it will be sort in descending order. Okay, so now you can see it is sorted in descending order. Similarly, you can also sort the columns. So if you set axis equals to 1, that means it will sort according to the column, and by default it is also in ascending order, but we set ascending equals to false. That means 4 will be in the first position and 0 will be the last position, right? So now if I run it, you can see 4 is in the first position and 0 is in the last position. So in this way you can sort the rows as well as the columns in ascending order or descending order, whatever.